Developed for industrial applications, the SKF MultiPoint Automatic Lubricator TLMP is packaged as a complete kit that contains the lubricator, required tubing and connectors. The TLMP offers a durable metal housing for long service life. Its reservoir features a capacity of nearly 1 litre and a stirring paddle to prevent grease separation. Its integrated divider block has 8 outputs, which can be plugged if not needed or used to adjust lubricant flow. The unit's cycle control sensor ensures that every outlet is receiving the right amount of lubricant. The TLMP is equipped with a grease nipple, but an optional filler nipple is available for easy lubricant replenishment using a filler pump. The lubricator delivers a maximum operating pressure of 120 bar and functions reliably in temperatures ranging from +70 to -25 degrees Celsius. The versatile TLMP is available in versions with different voltages. In addition to industrial applications, the MultiPoint Automatic Lubricator TLMP is suitable for agricultural and off-road vehicles. For more information, visit skf.com or contact your local SKF distributor.